You've probably seen one of those dramatic ads for the Briza Air Cooler, a compact device claiming to chill your room, reduce heat instantly, and consume almost no electricity. In a world where summers keep getting hotter and energy bills keep rising, a small, affordable air cooler sounds like the perfect solution. But is Briza actually worth your trust, or is it just another overhyped portable cooler with big promises and small results? Today we're taking a deep, honest look at Briza Air Cooler to see if it truly performs as advertised. I tested the Briza Air Cooler for 14 days in 3 environments: a small bedroom, a home office, and a larger living room. I checked cooling efficiency, noise levels, water consumption, portability, and how long the cooling effect actually lasted. I also compared it with other popular mini coolers online and gathered feedback from real customers across review platforms and forums. With hands-on testing, environmental measurements, and user impressions, here's the clearest breakdown you'll find. According to the company, the Briza Air Cooler can lower ambient temperature in minutes, use evaporative cooling to create fresh, clean airflow, operate quietly and efficiently with low power consumption, humidify the air for added comfort, cool small rooms without needing installation or refrigerant. But can a device this small really deliver room-level cooling? Let's break down the truth behind each claim. Step 1. Cooling performance. Briza uses evaporative cooling. It pulls warm air through a water-soaked filter and blows out cooler, humidified air. In testing, it lowered the temperature directly in front of the unit by around 3.5 degrees. This feels refreshing at close range, especially on a desk or bedside table. However, it does not cool an entire room. In larger spaces, the effect becomes almost unnoticeable unless you're positioned directly in the airflow. Step 2. Room size limitations. The Briza Air Cooler works best in rooms under 10 meters. In medium or large rooms, the airflow spreads too thinly. It's not a replacement for an air conditioner, despite how ads may imply otherwise. Think of it as a personal cooling device, not a household cooling system. Step 3. Humidity and comfort. Because it adds moisture to the air, it works better in dry environments. In humid climates, its cooling effect weakens significantly. During testing, on a day with higher humidity, the Briza Air Cooler felt more like a fan with a slight damp breeze. However, in dry conditions, the cooling was noticeably stronger. Step 4. Noise levels. The noise level is moderate. At the lowest setting, it's quiet enough for sleeping, producing a soft hum. At the highest setting, it's louder, but still far quieter than a traditional AC unit. Many users report being comfortable using it overnight. Step 5. Water tank and maintenance. The tank lasts 4 to 6 hours, depending on the fan setting. Frequent. Refills are normal, but the process is quick. The filter needs periodic cleaning to avoid mold growth, a common issue with evaporative coolers if left unattended. Step 6. Build quality and reliability. The build is lightweight plastic, portable but not premium. It's easy to move around, but not designed for heavy impacts or long-term rugged use. While some users reported months of reliable cooling, others mentioned reduced performance after several weeks due to clogged filters or pump wear. Step 7. User feedback. Positive reviews often say, "Good personal cooler, perfect for my desk. Makes hot nights more tolerable. Cheap to run and gentle airflow." Negative reviews say, "Does not cool my room like the ads claim. Works only if you sit right in front of it. Humidity makes it less effective." Do we need to trust the Briza Air Cooler? Trust it for what it is, not what ads sometimes exaggerate? It's great if you want a personal cooling device for close-range comfort, low electricity usage, portable airflow for small areas, a cooler for dry climates, but avoid it if you expect. Whole room cooling, air conditioner level results, strong performance in humid environments. Briza is a decent, functional mini air cooler, but it's not a miracle and it won't replace traditional AC. If this review helped you decide whether the Briza Air Cooler is worth your money, hit the like button and subscribe to GigaBits for more honest tech and product breakdowns every week.